So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn Duolingo notifications on or off. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Duolingo app. On there you can see your basic layout, so you'll be given the opportunity to have a lesson. You can see underneath some chests and daily goals, as well as the more actions option in the bottom right. So on here, click on the profile. You can see some stuff to that, and you can go to the settings in the top right. You can see preferences, profile, notifications, courses, Duolingo for schools, social accounts, private settings, and many more. On there, just go to notifications. You can see here reminders. 3 notifications are turned off: friends, leaderboards, announcements, and friend nudges. So you can click on this and you can go and restore default notifications for reminders, or if you want to do that a bit quicker, exit this and go to your settings. Once you're in your app sections, go to Duolingo, and you can see here the option notifications are off. You can click on that and then you can just allow notifications. You can even see time-sensitive notifications, but you should have in mind that Duolingo is going to bombard you with notifications quite often. So you can just turn them off again through here. And that's about it. That's how you can turn notifications both on and off. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duolingo or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.